everyone, I'm Cindy Kaufman from HOLT Architects. I wanted to share some really exciting bank and credit union projects that HOLT has been a part of. In this video, you'll see the recent work that shows how the banking experience is becoming more immersive, engaging, and technology-rich. We hope you enjoy the slideshow, and please reach out to me if you would like to hear more.
CFCU Community Credit Union and HOLT Architects worked together to renovate 14,000 square feet and 2 stories of a historic bank building into a vibrant transformation center, incorporating retail banking and administrative offices for 30 employees. Modern design elements, contemporary finishes, lighting, bright colors, and technology-infused client service areas integrate into and enliven the bank hall. Tompkins Financial's 7-story, 110,000 square foot office building brings 300 employees together under one roof in Ithaca's downtown. The new state-of-the-art facility serves as the company's corporate headquarters and includes ground floor retail and offices throughout each of the additional 6 floors. The stately design blends the tradition and aesthetic of historic bank buildings with the modern structures of Ithaca's downtown. Elmira Savings Bank's renovation transforms a previously underutilized building into an inviting new banking space. The revitalized 5,000 square foot building includes a renewed entry, upgraded building envelope for improved energy efficiency, and a 1,600 square foot brick and glass addition that brings new life to the historic structure. The interior features a bright, lively, and engaging commercial banking and office area. Working closely with CFCU Community Credit Union, HOLT Architects helped to reimagine an existing 3,000 square foot facility and create a space that would foster a more fluid customer experience. The ultimate design allows members to have more ownership of their banking experience and incorporates technology interface points and a Genius bar that softens the line between front and back of house. A sliding glass wall system creates a 24-hour ATM operation, and an additional 14,000 square foot of land accommodates a new canopied ATM with teller lanes. First Heritage Federal Credit Union's new 27,000 square foot, 3-story corporate headquarters offers a welcoming, future-oriented, and flexible new facility. A bright and spacious 2-story banking hall greets members and quickly offers them an engaging and vibrant lounge-like setting. Offices with glass walls surround the lobby and house universal tellers who stand ready to meet with members. Strong branding is expressed with diagonal forms that enhance wayfinding and colors and materials that work together to support the credit union's brand.